So that was one of the things that she did do. Her husband, she woke up and she immediately knew what had happened. She heard a roar and she said, Lyman, the dam broke. And he jumped up and he pushed the window open and the screen and all, and said, by that time she had grabbed her little son, Danny, and he said, run up the trail. And so he said, if this is the last thing I do, I want you out of here. And it was the last thing he ever did, because she did run up the mountainside in her nightgown and was able to survive by, I think one wing must have gone out first, because the water hit her up to here, and it would have, if she had been a step or two below that, she probably would have got out too, but she immediately pushed her son up as far as possible. And Lillian, when she heard some yelling, and she thought Lyman got out. And because he said, I'll get the other girls. And the Lyman and Lillian had two little girls, and one was Maisie and the other was Marjorie. Marjorie is the oldest, beautiful children. Mm-hmm. And so then when the water hit her there, she made one final lunge and put the child up as far as she could. And she did get out. Her feet were terribly torn and with bruises and everything. But being a pathway, she was able to get up that pathway that went up to the mountain that my dad had warned her to. And that she stated that that's what they would do. They would just run up the mountainside.
And your sister Lillian saved how many of her children?
She saved Danny, that was all. So that she...
Did Lyman go back for the girls?
Well, we don't know what happened. We know that Lyman said, I'll get the girls, mm-hmm. and but to carry two girls and 5, 6, and 7, about 5 and 6 years old, mm-hmm. He was a big husky cowboy, 6-foot cowboy and rancher. Mm-hmm. So she thought for sure that Lyman got out. We left our homestead and we went down and we got over to Spunky Canyon, and I saw my dad's Buick with a California top on it coming up out of Spunky Canyon. It was right there by the edge of the north edge of Spunky Canyon. Mm-hmm. So my dad stopped and I stopped and I run over to the car. And when I run over to the car, why, here's my sister in the back seat. It was a sedan. So in the back seat, and she was all curled up in the blankets and the pillows that I had placed in the car. And so I opened the door, and when I opened the door, she started crying, and she was saying, Ivan, this is all that is left of my family. And so it was a very, very emotional moment, because I just jumped in there and grabbed her, and the baby tried to be as comforting as possible. And Lillian says that is the only thing that she remembers. She doesn't remember my dad picking her up at the powerhouse, where the powerhouse was, and or wherever they picked her up at. It was close to there.